Hello and welcome everyone to our Regional Institute and Training Center. So from here, this side Amrit Raj, I am the lead instructor of this institute. So I was planning for from a long period of time to start a complete Java plus data structures and algorithm course for everyone, whether you belong from non-technical background or from technical background, or either you are a fresher or you are a college student or you are a working employee. It is for each and everyone completely from scratch. We are going to cover each and everything from scratch so that you guys can clear and ace any kind of interview from any company. Yeah. So let me start with the introduction of this particular course. Introduction. Yes, introduction for this course. So this course I have planned for everyone. And that is, let's say you belong from non-tech or technical background, you are a fresher or experienced employee working in some non-tech background, in non-tech background and planning to switch to technical. to technical. So it will be really beneficial for you. Here I will be covering each and every aspect, and I'm going to write in front of you. Yes, no copy paste, each and every aspect from scratch till end. It will be of around 3 months. It will be of around 3 months. Yeah, let's take a challenge and let's complete it, and let's have a wonderful learning journey for this particular course. Yeah. So there is one request from my side. Please do share the playlist. Please do share this with everyone. Please subscribe our the channel. Yes. So the syllabus for this particular thing that I have planned here for this course. Yeah, syllabus for this course. Syllabus is going to be introduction part. So introduction to Java programming. Yes. We will learn how to learn. Yeah. First we are going to see this part. How to learn and how to write the code. How to write the code with no copy pasting. With no copy pasting. Yeah, no copy pasting. Completely we are going to write it here. So we will see types of languages, how to interact with the computer, how does memory management works. Yeah, it's all about learning, guys. It's all about learning. If you focus, you can learn each and everything. It doesn't matter who you are. Let the world say whatever they want, but if you will focus, you can eventually learn each and everything. We'll learn how to declare a flowchart, and how to write pseudocode, Yes, we are going to cover this part. We will see the Java architecture and how to install it. We will learn the writing of Java programs. We will see the conditional statements, looping statements, switch case statements. Yes, switch case statements, Functions, uh, functions here. And lots of confusion. People are confused between functions and methods. We will see that. Basically, both of them are same. Arrays and array list. Yeah, array and array list in Java. Arrays and array list in Java. We will start with the searching concept, where we will see the linear search and binary search, and also we will prepare. So we will prepare for every interview perspective on binary search. Yeah, then we will move towards sorting. So we will learn the sorting concepts. Lots of sorting are there, like bubble sort. Yeah, bubble sort is there. You hear selection sort. So selection sort is there. Insertion sort is there. Cyclic sort is there. Lots of sorting algorithms. So we will cover them with practical implementation for all kinds of interview question, directly fetching it from various popular platform like LeetCode. We have other things here, cyclic sort. Other than, we have strings. So strings in Java programming, strings in Java, string builder, string buffer, etc. Patterns are very important for developing the logic. Recursion, perhaps one of the most important topics. Recursion in Java. You might be confused which programming language we should learn and why Java programming. Guys, Java is one of the most popular programming language and used highly across the globe. Yes, for the backend development. So if you are want to be a pure backend developer, you can use this. You can learn Spring Boot on top of it, and you can get a really good high package up to 40 and even more than that. So we are going to see this part, recursion, completely from scratch till end. Yes, we are going to see this sorting. So using recursion, we will be learning merge sort and quick sort. Yes, we will cover this part also. Backtracking concept with interview questions. Yes, everything I am going to write in front of you. You can cover it. One of my favorite, oops concept. Oops concepts. Yes, we are going to see this part here. Oops concept here, linked lists, stacks and queues. Yes, we will see this. Binary trees here, AVL trees. It will take some time, but we are going to cover each and every aspect. Segment trees, file handling here in Java. So don't worry about others. We are going to cover C++ programming, Python programming. We will bring each and every aspect here. Development. So just have some patience, keep learning. We are going to cover each and everything here. Binary tree, heap data structures, has maps. So has map and has table. Count sort. Yes, count sort. There is one radix sort. Trees are there. So trees, graphs. Yes, graphs. So we will bring each and every aspect on this channel. Yeah, I myself, Amrit Raj, with over lots of years and hours of experience in teaching of different technical aspect at different places. So we are going to bring each and every aspect here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please share this playlist with your loved ones. that will be really beneficial, and I promise you I'm going to cover each and everything here. Thank you very much, guys. See you all in the very first session. Bye bye.